As we traverse the Moxham Park Loop, we will uncover hidden treasures and delve into local history of Northmead that dates back to the 1880s. Our journey will reveal remnants of an old quarry, the cobbled road that once facilitated the transport of sandstone, and the enduring bridge abutments that nestled in the surrounding bush. This is where you first hit an intersection, and to the left is Moxham's Bridge, and to the right is which is where we need to go, but we are going to visit Moxham Bridge first. Moxham Rd Bridge is a heritage structure featuring dry stone wall abutments and a timber deck. Though its exact date of construction remains unknown, adjacent to the bridge, extending approximately 2 metres along the creek, lies a remarkable flagstone ford, meticulously paved with regular sandstone slabs. Notably, this ford has not been documented in any heritage reports, suggesting it may have been constructed prior to the bridge itself. Walk up to the top and show you the top. And now we continue our journey along the track. Good to see the locals aren't being left homeless. Once you reach the top of those steep stairwell, you're left with three options. So to the far right is the cobbled road that takes you back up to Northmead Bowling Club. The centre one is the continuation of the walk, and to the left is where we want to go, where the old bridge is. We'll take you there now. And once you just look at this, on top of a car inside here, including an engine, so how they got that in here, I don't really know. Like a tree's recently fallen over the pathway. So it looks like termites might have had a good go at that, by the look of it. This is where they used to take the quarry carts and take them over the bridge. I'll go get a bit closer so we can see. The major quarry located near the Northmead Bowling Club is enclosed by a high safety fence due to its substantial size and the fact that it has been abandoned and filled with water after hitting an aquifer. Adjacent to the quarry is a heritage road that extends westerly from the site, crossing Quarry Branch Creek to connect with Huxley Drive. This road features a cobbled surface and is flanked by dry stone walls for much of its length, showcasing skilled craftsmanship. The primary remnant left of the Quarry Bridge is its sturdy abutments on each side of the creek. Now, since nothing's signposted, we're going to take a guess that that takes you back to the main track, and this takes us who know where, so let's be adventurous and find out. So as you can see, this path takes you along the top of the ledge. And there's where we were a little earlier.